Hola, bienvenidos. Let's get started. Today we're going to cover verbos, or verbs. Ser, ser. To be, ser. Quiero ser un piloto. Quiero ser un piloto. I want to be a pilot. Quiero ser un piloto. Now, ser is used to describe states of being that are considered to be more permanent, things like your career or your physical characteristics, personality traits, stuff like that. We have a separate word in Spanish for impermanent states of being like emotions and illness, and that word is estar. Estar. To be, estar. Estoy en casa. Estoy en casa. I'm at home. Estoy en casa. You would never say soy en casa. That doesn't make any sense in Spanish because it's not considered to be permanent. You can leave the house at any time. Estoy en casa. Deber. Deber. To have to. More specifically, should or must. You should. He must. Debo hacer mi tarea. Debo hacer mi tarea. I should do my homework. Debo hacer mi tarea. Poder. Poder. To be able to. Poder. Puedo hacer mi tarea. Puedo hacer mi tarea. I can do my homework. Puedo hacer mi tarea. Haber. Haber. To have or to be. Haber. He hecho mi tarea. He hecho mi tarea. I have done my homework. He hecho mi tarea. Haber is not used interchangeably with a word like tener, which is also to have. Tener would be used for things like I have a cat. I have to go. Haber is used more for the expression of participles. I have done. He hecho. You could use that with any verb as well. Necesitar. Necesitar. To need. Necesitar. Necesito hacer mi tarea. Necesito hacer mi tarea. I need to do my homework. Necesito hacer mi tarea. Gustar. Gustar. To like. Gustar. Me gusta hacer mi tarea. Me gusta hacer mi tarea. I like to do my homework. Me gusta hacer mi tarea. Esperar. 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 To wait, to hope, or to expect. However, most of the time you hear this word, it's going to be used for wait. For example, estoy esperando por ti. Estoy esperando por ti. I'm waiting for you. Estoy esperando por ti. Creer. Creer. To believe. Creer. Creo que es importante. Creo que es importante. I believe it is important. Creo que es importante. Creer can be used like I think. If you can interchange I believe and I think, then you should probably use creer. For example, in this sentence, creo que es importante, it could be translated to I think it is important. Believe and think in this sentence are completely interchangeable. Sentirse. Sentirse. To feel. Sentirse. Me siento feliz. Me siento feliz. I feel happy. Me siento feliz. Querer. Querer. To want or to love. Querer. Quiero salir. Quiero salir. Te quiero. Te quiero. I want to leave. I love you. Quiero salir. Te quiero. Pensar. Pensar. To think. Pensar. Pienso que debemos ir. Pienso que debemos ir. I think we should go. Pienso que debemos ir. Saber. Saber. To know. Saber. ¿Sabes su nombre? ¿Sabes su nombre? Do you know his name? ¿Sabes su nombre? Now, saber is a lot like ser. There are two words for to know in Spanish. Saber is more for things that you know concretely. It is certain. I know my father is a golfer. I know my mother likes to cook. These are concrete things that I know for certain. The other word for to know is conocer. Conocer. This is to know or to meet. Conocer. ¿Conoces mi madre? ¿Conoces mi madre? Do you know my mother? Or have you met my mother? ¿Conoces mi madre? Conocer is used more for being familiar with something. If you can say, I'm familiar with accounting, you would use conocer. You wouldn't use saber, right? Because it's not something that you know concretely. It's just something that you're sort of familiar with. And you can be familiar with anything or anyone. So you can use conoces in those instances in Spanish. Entender. Entender. To understand. Entender. No entiendo la tarea. No entiendo la tarea. I don't understand the homework. No entiendo la tarea. Decidir. Decidir. To decide. Decidir. No he decidido. No he decidido. I haven't decided. No he decidido. Ver. Ver. To see. Ver. No veo la manzana. No veo la manzana. I don't see the apple. No veo la manzana. Mirar. Mirar. To look. Mirar. Mira, hay actores. Mira, hay actores. Look, there are actors. Mira, hay actores. Oír. Oír. To hear. Oír. Oigo la música. Oigo la música. I hear the music. Oigo la música. Escuchar. Escuchar. To listen. Escuchar. Escucho la música. Escucho la música. I listen to the music. Escucho la música. Ir. Ir. To go. Ir. Voy a la tienda. Voy a la tienda. I go to the store. Voy a la tienda. Salir. Salir. To leave. Salir. Salgo de mi casa. Salgo de mi casa. I leave my house. Salgo de mi casa. Volver. Volver. To return. Volver. Vuelvo a mi casa. Vuelvo a mi casa. I return to my house. Vuelvo a mi casa. Llegar. Llegar. To arrive. Llegar. Llego a mi casa. Llego a mi casa. I arrive to my house. Llego a mi casa. Tener. Tener. To have. Tener. Tengo una casa. Tengo una casa. I have a house. Tengo una casa. Tener is the verb that you'll use far more than you'll use haber. So it's more important to know tener than haber. But haber is obviously still important, otherwise it wouldn't be on this list. Hacer. Hacer. To do. Hacer. Hago mi tarea. Hago mi tarea. I do my homework. Hago mi tarea. Comer. Comer. To eat. Comer. Como muchas verduras. Como muchas verduras. I eat a lot of vegetables. Como muchas verduras. Dar. Dar. To give. Dar. Me das flores. Me das flores. You give me flowers. Me das flores. Recibir. Recibir. To receive. Recibir. Recibo la tarea. Recibo la tarea. I receive the homework. Recibo la tarea. Dormir. Dormir. To sleep. Dormir. Duermo muy tarde. Duermo muy tarde. I sleep very late. Duermo muy tarde.